Hey everyone, if your Uber Eats background check failed, don't panic. You still have options. Here's a step-by-step guide to understand why it happened and how to fix it. First is to understand why it failed. Uber uses third-party services to screen drivers. Common reasons for failures include criminal history, major driving violations, and incorrect personal info. Second is check your email. Uber will send an email explaining the failure. Just simply look for the specific reason for rejection, a copy of report, how to dispute the findings, and the name of the screening company. Third is dispute inaccurate information. If the report is incorrect, contact the background check company and provide evidence or documents. They must investigate within 30 days. Four is reapply if possible. You may be eligible to reapply after resolving the issue. Some offenses may expire after 7 years or less, depending on location. Try other delivery apps like DoorDash, Grubhub, Instacart, and Amazon Flex. Fifth is contact Uber support. If you're still confused, use the Uber Help Center or the in-app support to chat and get clarity on your case. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and I'll see you into the next one. Thank you for watching.